Okay, then the last part for our constant contact events would be the landing page, event landing page. So we're going to look at what this looks like currently. Here you go. You got the logo, got this. This is straight off the website. Now this information we can take a look at on the website to make sure that's current. I don't believe it is. So if we go to Portray, July 14th. So I'm going to hit edit. Let's go down here, fix this. Just click on it. And there you go. July 10th. This is July 14th down here. Basically making sure all that is accurate. Hit save. And I don't know why this little 5 is up here. Hit save and you are good to go. I want to check this. Where does this take us? There it goes. Remember when we made this earlier? That link works. So that's always a plus. So that's ready to go. I hit save. And then I hit finish. And that is good to go. The last and final thing for me to do is to make the event live. I've clicked, I've made it live. What I do here now is I grab this and copy it. And this is the event URL. So if I want to make a link to this, I have to snag this here. And I can put it on the website. I can put it on Facebook. And then when people click on that, it will take them to this event. And that's how that works. And any questions, be sure to let me know.